If you're a lover of pastas like me, especially creamy pastas, I know you will look for 1,001 ways to at least get varieties of creamy pastas, okay? And that's what I've been doing lately, guys. I've been exploring every other way to get my pastas more creamy and more yummy and even more tasty and healthy. So today I present to you how you can make your own creamy pastas at home without using cream. My name is Chex, and if you're meeting us for the first time, you're highly and warmly welcome back to my kitchen. Let's cook together. In a boiling pot, you go in with your pastas. But before then, I usually go in with a spoon of salt and some sprinkle of cooking oils. That way, my pasta will come out tasty and even well separated, okay? Into a pan, I poured in my vegetable oil and then used it to stir fry my already marinated beef. Okay, so you can use any protein of your choice, but on this recipe I'm using beef and I've marinated it before now, added all herbs and spices and seasoning cubes and kept it aside in the freezer for like say 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, and here I am stir frying it and getting it ready for the recipe. Cover it and allow it to cook in its own juice. That way the meat will come out more tender, soft, succulent and sweet. Okay, so after then you go ahead and add your onion. Continue stir frying with the onions until the sauce absorb every single flavor from this onion, okay, until you get a very rich flavor of this sauce. Then you start introducing other ingredients, and the very first thing we introduce is our pinky milky juice, guys. You bring that odogu richness in and pour it inside this pot. Guys, you can only imagine the taste. You can only imagine the taste, guys. It was yummy, yummy. Oh, so you stir it together and add other ingredients and allow it to boil for some time before then introducing the final ingredients. If you watch, our pinky creamy sauce has thickened a little bit more, so it's time to introduce your pasta. Watch to the end and I'm gonna share how I got my creamy pinky juice that I used. It was so yummy, guys, you can bet on that. Gently combine everything together at this point and allow it to simmer for maximum of 2 to 3 minutes and your pasta is ready. And your creamy pasta is ready. And your pinky pasta is ready, guys. Oh, this is so good, so fulfilling. Like, I enjoyed every single bit of this meal, guys. So without taking much of your time, let me take you guys through the process of making my pinky milky juice. Grate your coconuts with your grater, and if you have a strong blender, please use it. Okay. Technology has really made things easy for us, but if you don't, that's not an excuse. Okay, like I always encourage you guys, let your kitchen work for you. So use what you have and get what you want. So in this case, use anything that can crush these coconuts into tiny bits, at least into very tiny bits. That's a very good way to start, and that is what I'm doing here, right? Transfer it into a blender. At this point, any blender will work just fine for you. The blender is basically going to serve as a mixer in this process, okay? So when you transfer it carefully, we now introduce the next ingredient, which is our beets. Just blend everything smoothly, add some water like blend it smoothly and then pass it through a sieve. Okay, if you have a mesh cloth, you can use at this point. You have a chiffon cloth, anything that works for you, just use it to separate the chaff from the juice, guys. And again, what do you think we can do with this chaff? Like, a lot of things has been coming to my mind looking at this cute chaff, guys. It paid me to just waste it, to just trash it, guys. But I think next time I will put it in good use. That chaff should not waste, it should go into something. So if you know what we can use it for, please let me know on the comment section, guys. And here is our pinky milky juice. You can use it for a variety of things, okay? And until next time, guys, I remain Checks and see you all in my next one. Bye.